old, and I am from Leon Postigo, Zamboanga del Norte. And I am graduated from Jose Rizal Memorial State University, main campus, Dapitan City, last year, 2023, with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And I am now a licensed professional teacher.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. And right now, I am focusing on pursuing my passion into pageantry. In fact, last month, I won the Piano Salad Race 2024.
Last month, yeah, it was you. That was you look familiar. Yeah, you look so familiar. You know what? She's the earliest candidate, earliest applicant. How does it feel to arrive early and be able to be here at 2? You arrive here at before 8.
It's okay, it's not a problem. That's part of the process.
Oh, wow, that's part of the process. So, do you think that being a licensed professional teacher, major in English, would be your advantage just in case you will be part of the competition? Because you learn that some of the candidates are still studying, some are not studying. Do you think that that would be your advantage?
For me, I really don't think so because I believe that every woman has its own abilities, and I believe that each one of us has the capability to speak well, despite of what course that she may go.
Wow. So I love your patience because if I were you, I could have called my handler and murmured and complained, why did you arrive late? I arrived here early. You know what? She waited for many hours. So that's na-late ang iyang handler, nagulat pa every occasion or every situation. So, by the way, aside from Binibining Salad Turismo, what else is your title? Or what else are your titles?
Last 2022, I was qualified as Mr. Mindanao. I was qualified
Mhm.
at that time.
So you were with Vicentes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
They were but I wasn't able to
Push
receive the
through.
next level because I was still a student that time. So that was our internship phase.
Okay. So
There's a time schedule.
you also joined barangay beauty pageants or only municipal pageants and bigger stages?
So far I only joined municipality budgets.
Okay. So at least because some of the candidates are veterans, no? They've been to a lot of stages, bigger, small, they have all the experiences. And as I would like to say that, I said, do not be complacent being a licensed professional teachers because these girls as well have a lot to say. And good luck to you, ma'am. Good luck to you, ma'am. And looking forward for the next round.